Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a Read More button in Google Sites. Yeah, it's super handy if you want to keep your page clean, but still let visitors read full content when they want. First, open your Google Sites project. Just click on the site you want to edit, so we're working on the right page. Next, add a text box or select an existing section where you want the Read More button to appear. You can type your content here like a summary or intro. Now click on Insert, then choose Button. Type in something like Read More, and then link it to another page or section where the full content is. This makes your page neat while giving users the option to explore more. You can also customize the button's color, size, and alignment so it fits your site design. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Just play around until it looks good. And that's it. Now your visitors can click Read More to see full content without cluttering your page. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Google Sites tips.